Okay, here is the solution for all of this stuff with ActiveCampaign and beyond. Basically, the situation right now is that the Author Village is using ActiveCampaign for capturing contacts from website forms, along with all kinds of deal data, and managing those deals in the pipeline in ActiveCampaign. Meanwhile, that eventually gets clumsily migrated over to TeamUp, where it's got this copy paste approach to creating a shared calendar for the team with that info pasted in and out of sync. And that's the current workflow in a nutshell. So let's take a look at things, bearing in mind this tool, Pipedrive, and what that means for things. Pipedrive is fantastic for deals and the pipeline. So that aspect of bringing in the contact with the form data and being able to collaborate on this stuff is fantastic. And it already has the calendar layout where there is no migration process. It's baked right in, and all those notes continue to be attached and updated in real time. And syncs with calendars, so you can easily just invite people to the event, and that's wonderful. So those things, hold those in your mind. And then bear in mind that ActiveCampaign is extraordinary and is actually number one in terms of deliverability. So it's got, at its core, it is an email marketing tool that is designed for sending out massive newsletters and being effective. It is more deliverable than MailChimp, more deliverable than Constant Contact, than Aweber. It is tip-top. And so what seems to be the most efficient and wise approach is to set things up so that this happens. Someone fills out the form on the website. The contact goes into ActiveCampaign for use in future email marketing, sending out emails in the future. That is just the contact info. The full form info of that person goes into Pipedrive, and the interface that you're familiar with in working on deals together as a team, that is done in Pipedrive, and all notes are written here and shared here, and that is very easily viewed in calendar format when it's appropriate. That's put in terms of the actual meeting, and all the notes are in place, no extra step. What ends up being the result is that you've got someone filling out the form, that data going into going into ActiveCampaign as a contact for highly deliverable mass emails, and the form data going into Pipedrive, so that the contact you have here is your place of collaborating on all of the details, the notes, and bringing those into a calendar event together, all in one place. So that's the gist. One more point of consideration is it may be desirable to have some sync happening between Pipedrive and ActiveCampaign, so that if there is some change to the email address or the name of the person, then that contact info is updated in ActiveCampaign. So having that sync in place may be desirable. It would be pretty simple because ActiveCampaign only has the name and the email, and none of the extra notes and stuff. All the notes and stuff are happening only in Pipedrive. So hopefully that explanation is concise enough and clear enough. That takes a lot of considerations into account. And I'll leave it at that for now. Cool, thanks.